are continuing along the trail. There's another wonderful sign. We're going to be walking past these ducks. I'm not sure if they'll fly away on us or not. They are beautiful. So I don't think there's a lot of places that you can feed ducks at anymore, but I know when I was a kid, people would always take bread and feed the ducks, but you should know that you should never feed birds bread. I don't know why that was a thing for us, but it expands in their stomachs. And there they go. Awesome. That was really interesting. So another mallard duck flew in right up to them, and off they go. But yeah, bread expands in the ducks of birds, or in the bellies of birds, so you don't want to ever feed them bread. That was really neat. So I'm noticing here along the trails, and I remember on our sign from earlier, talk of muskrats, and these aren't exactly the muskrat's dens, but muskrats are acclaimed to be pests, although I think they're very cute. They like to burrow under in the banks. So if this is the bank of our pond, they would try to burrow from one side and get all the way under this trail potentially and come over here to where it's more of this wetland area. And back there you can see some water. So some cool habitats we have here. We have wetlands on this side. Let me zoom out. And then we had some forest over there and some ponds here. So muskrats cause a lot of holes in our trails if we're trying to build in their habitat. There goes the ducks. Very cool. Oh, that one, very dangerous. Keep that in note if you come walking around here. There's a big pothole there. And you can see the exact result. The muskrat dug through here on this side. There's a hole in there underneath, caved through all the way over, trying to get to its habitat, and it's just making its home, but that's what they do. So over here we have more of the Capital Springs recreation area. We have these cattails, which are wonderful. We have some duck boxes. Wood ducks might really enjoy these. They nest in hollows. We have the beautiful red-winged blackbirds, the telltale sign of spring when you start hearing those come back. And this is how they actually control the water level within our ponds here. So this here has a lever. It's locked, so not just anyone can mess with it, but it'll open, raise and lower this to allow more water to flow out. If maybe these are holding too much and flooding, they'll open that up to let more water flow out, or they might have them closed a little bit more to help keep the water in. So I think they're pretty nice ponds. They'll kind of get all this vegetation and gunk growing up in a lot of places. The water, I don't know if you can tell in the video, it is a little greenish blue. But, hopefully when they put some fish in, it's still providing that opportunity for people to get outdoors, which is important. And then in this corner of the ponds, you have trails to get back here farther into these wetlands. See here we have all these cattails. And some really nice places to walk. So I encourage you guys, with Earth Day and Friday being Arbor Day, to get out, do some walking, do some exploring. You never know what you're going to find. So thanks for joining me. I think I'm going to walk a little bit more and keep exploring myself. Bye everyone. Take care.